This is a combined heat for event 315 and 317 for boys. 10 and under and 11 and over 200 meter medley relay heat number 1. Lane 0 is Pasig City Swimming with swimmers Arabi, Fong, Bertuccio, and Tacoba. Lane number 3 is Pasig City Swimming with swimmers Villanueva, Lim, De La Cruz, and Gueda. Lane number 4 is International School Manila with swimmers Snicker, Oyama, Louis, and Lee. Lane number 5 is South Rapids Swim Team with swimmers Fiesta III, Payuan, Alegre, and Ben. Lane number 6 is Sex Shark Swim Club with swimmers Ezekiel, Alexander, Chin, and Aliposa. Lane number 7 is Bottom and Bottom Swim Club with swimmers Pushi, Arellano, Macpali, and Tsunaga. For event 219 for boys 10 and under 200 meter individual medley, please proceed to the red bench. Again, swimmers for event 219 for boys 10 and under 200 meter individual medley, please proceed to the red bench.